We take a look at Ethereum technicals. Ethereum's very much mirroring BTC in its movements. You can see that the charts, the patterns look very identical. I would say that what we perceive as a weekly support and resistance on BTC, we're seeing as a monthly on Ethereum. So we've got this confirmation of the breakdown that we had back in May 22, just like we did on BTC. However, it's on the monthly time frame for Ethereum instead of the weekly. And we are bouncing, and we've got two major supports and resistances here. We've got the level at 1.7K and the level at 2.1K. So we've got a monthly range that's forming now that we've broken above the level at 1.7K in March, a few months ago. If we go down to the weekly time frame, and that's just proving our point here that we're in this larger time range here, and based on what we see happening from FOMC, that will really dictate where we go from here. More than likely, we'll see the downside. Fed is expected to hike rates by 50 basis points, and we'll follow suit with BTC. So daily, as you can see, there's very little volume here. And this is generally expected when we've got a major event upcoming where people are possibly a little bit reluctant to trade. So there's not much volume in the market at the moment. Going down to that 4-hour time frame. And look, we've got a bearish pattern here forming that we should have drawn on. So just like we expect on, or it might be a little bit earlier actually, if I've got this wrong. So ETH looks like it might break down a little bit. Tuesday, Wednesday. So it's thereabouts the same, that we're expecting ETH to do exactly the same as BTC. So as I said, everything is relying on the Fed's interest rate hike announcement on Wednesday.